To our school's division superintendent, Dr. Edelberto L. Aplinaria, CSU 5, represented by our education program, Ma'am ay Dr. Marian C. Dr. Gladys S. Banak, Ma'am. Dr. Marian C. Magali, Alubihid West District in charge, Ma'am. Ma'am Catherine Subi Hulyada, School in charge of Lanao Elementary School, Ma'am. School administrators of Alubihid West District. To our honored guest speaker, Ma'am Piera Zaran M. Taho, Ma'am. Dear teachers, beloved parents, visitors, friends, and fellow graduates, good morning. It is with great honor and pride to welcome you all today to witness this momentous event of our lives. Our graduation with the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. As graduates, we strongly affirm to be a generation that supports unity, committed to be partners of building nation's progress, peace, and development. My sincerest gratitude to all of you who are here today to grace this very special occasion. To our parents, thank you for your profound love and support since the beginning. Daghan kaayong salamat. Once again, I welcome you all.
Thank you very much, Shail.